Mistplay is a legitimate rewards app, but it is not a guaranteed money app. You earn rewards by playing eligible mobile games, and the games, offers, earning rates, and redemption options available to can vary. By the end, you'll know how Mistplay actually works, what makes it legitimate, where the limitations are, and what to check before spending your time on it. Mistplay's basic model is straightforward. You install eligible games through Mistplay, play them, and earn units when qualifying activity is tracked. Those units can then be exchanged for rewards offered through Mistplay. The key word is eligible. You cannot assume that every game on your phone will generate rewards. Start games through Mistplay when required, check that your gameplay is being tracked, and confirm that your units are increasing before spending significant time playing. That tracking step matters because Mistplay has specific troubleshooting guidance for users who are not earning units or GXP while playing. If the activity is not being recognized, continuing to play does not fix the tracking problem. The second thing to understand is that Mistplay does not give every user an identical earning experience. Your available games, offers, rewards, and earning rates can depend on factors such as your location, device, and account. Because of that, claims like, everyone makes a specific amount every month, are not reliable. Instead, check your own account. Open Mistplay, look at the games currently available to you, and check the reward catalog before deciding how much time you want to spend. If the available rewards are useful to you, the units have practical value. If you would not use those rewards, the earning potential matters much less. There are also account and login considerations. Use the same Mistplay account you normally use. Mistplay explains that using different login methods can result in separate accounts, which can make your progress appear different. So, is Mistplay legit in 2026? Yes, the app itself is legitimate as a rewards platform. But legit does not mean high income. The practical value comes from receiving rewards for eligible gameplay, not from treating Mistplay as a replacement for a job or a reliable income source. The best way to test it is to track your own results. Record the time you spend, the units you earn, and the reward value you can actually redeem. Then compare the reward value with your total playtime. If you already enjoy mobile games, that calculation may make Mistplay worthwhile as a small extra benefit. If you dislike the games or spend more time chasing rewards than enjoying yourself, the value may not be there. Your next step is to check the current games and rewards available inside your Mistplay account before committing your time. If this answered whether Mistplay is legit in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more honest app reviews and troubleshooting guides.